Howdy, folks. Jeff here, and we're at the Colorado Summit and up in Denver. And y'all just missed special guest speaker, Commander Dr. Mary Kelly. We got to put all those in there because she actually retired from the Navy. Say hi to everybody.
Hey everybody, I am so thrilled to be here at ASA. I love working with the automotive teams and y'all are amazing.
And they just missed an excellent opportunity because tell them what you were talking about.
So today's program was how to lead your business and your teams through crisis, challenge, or change. And we have certainly experienced crisis, challenge, or change. So part of what we talked about today were the 6 stages everybody goes through when there's a crisis or a challenge or a change. So it might be a new software update. It could be a new leadership person in charge of your shop. It could be a global pandemic. Whatever
Like COVID.
it is, like COVID,
How it affected our business.
all of that. And people go through these 6 stages and helping to understand where people are and how we as leaders can help them move through it and out of it is imperative, especially in today's business.
And you've actually written some books, and you have one that's out that's recommended. The Mensa people recommend that one.
Yes, I have about 15 books out. The book called Who Comes Next? Leadership Succession Planning Made Easy was recommended by Mensa and MOA and Entrepreneur and Success and Forbes, and I got some pretty good press on that.
Did Oprah? Recommend it?
Oprah didn't recommend it, but if you know Oprah, bring it on. The other book that people really liked that ATI used for their reading club was the Why Leaders Fail book, and that's the 7 prescriptions for leadership success. And that gives people a roadmap as well as an assessment on where we might just get a little bit better. It's data driven. We surveyed over 100,000 people to get that data.
And folks, I was sitting in this room. We just barely landed and made it over here to catch her presentation. And this lady right here is just amazing. She was actually interacting all through the room. She was calling the people by name, talking to them, trying to pull stuff out of them. Y'all missed just a great class here. And they won't have this opportunity again because you were saying it costs billions of dollars to get you in there.
So many billions, but I'll make a special deal for ASA people. So give me a call.
And you actually have, did I see a website or something that they could go to?
Yes, the website for the resources, it's Productive Leaders. Who wants an unproductive leader? productiveleaders.com/2022 success. And you will get the 12-month business success planner.
And then there was also on that page was a little test that you just had these guys take to determine what type of leader they were.
It's really fun to figure out where we as leaders, sometimes what we see as ourselves being well and good and great at, maybe sometimes we're not always that great. And so because of that, it's helpful for us to sometimes see our leaders' blind spots. And here today we got to do the leaders' blind spot assessment.
Well, Commander, we thank you so much for your service because how long did you retire? It was 20, 25 years?
I did 25 years.
25 years, and she made it up to Commander, in the Navy. And she had pictures of the aircraft carrier and talking about the submarines. I thought that was secret. We weren't supposed to talk about those. And now she's here sharing all of her knowledge because in the military, they actually have a lot of training and you do have like a hierarchy and the way that you dispense information and stuff. And these guys were getting to hear some of it firsthand. So if you weren't here, you missed a great class. But like you said, she gave you some books that she has, and she gave you a website that you could go to so you could still catch some of this information. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching.